Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. So today's video is gonna be, I wanted to get out of my usual hair videos and sharing wigs and actually get into makeup. Now I'm not fancy smancy in the makeup and I can't do, well, I can't say I can't do, but you know, I'm downplaying myself, but I love makeup, right? And there are certain palettes that I really do love, and I think they really look good of women of my color. So I wanted to share those with you. So here we go. I'm gonna share my favorite palettes for women of color, especially my skin color chocolate. So let's go. So my first favorite palette, y'all, and I know it's everyone's favorite palette because I see it all over YouTube, which guided me to get it. It's my absolute favorite. I go to it every day. I don't know what else to say. It's like my sunshine, my baby. I take her everywhere, in my backpack, in my fanny pack, in my purse. She's everything to me. Everything. Psych. No, for real. So it's my Jaclyn Hill palette, and she's all beat up. I ain't gonna lie, she's beat up, but I absolutely love this palette and the colors. My favorite is the green color. I use that a lot, and the burgundy. But my Jaclyn Hill palette is, it's dreamy. It's like the best palette for girls our color. So let me go into my other palettes that I absolutely love, right? My Carly Bible palette is the best, and I was very disappointed when my palette broke, so I can't really hold it up, but that highlight that's down there, it's almost like a bronzy type of highlight, is my absolute favorite too. I don't use a lot of the light colors like the whites in the creamy shady colors, Carly, but I do use, I don't know if you guys could see that, the burgundy color, the golden colors. You can see where I've kind of dug my brush in there. I do use those. I do like this palette. Sorry you guys, my nose is running. Whew. There was a second palette, but I didn't get that one because I wasn't a big fan of the colors, but this palette is my absolute favorite second. And I know you guys are gonna like laugh at me because I'm way behind the train, but it doesn't really matter because I paid my money for it just like everybody else did, and it's my favorite too. My Modern Renaissance, and it took me forever to get this, y'all, years after it came out, right? But you guys should already know the colors in this because it's well known here. Venetian Red is my favorite. I use a lot of the Primavera, the Burnt Orange. I've used Raw Sienna, Antique Bronze, Bun Fresco. Love Letter, I've seen a lot of people use, but it's not my absolute favorite, but my Modern Renaissance. And let me put these back because if I don't, I feel like I won't stay organized. Whoa. The last one, because I mean, these are the ones that I go to every day. When I say my favorite palettes, these are my favorite everyday go-to palettes that I actually really do use. My last one is, I found this at TJ Maxx, and it was only $5, but I absolutely love it. It was worth the $5. It's my BB Ultimate Glam palette. Here we go. It has blush on the top, which I rarely use, and it has all the eyeshadow colors on the bottom. So first off, my favorite colors are the purples and the blues. Purples and blues, because browns I could pretty much find in any other palette. So those are my favorite palettes for women of color. My shade, my complexion. You know, it's very hard to find really good palettes my complexion based on the fact that I'm dark skinned. And not only am I dark skinned, but I'm also dark skinned and I have a lot of pigmented issues. So I use a lot of concealers to basically conceal my face. But thank you guys for watching my video, and talk to you guys soon, and see you in the next video. Bye.